حي على الصلاة.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ramadan is like boot camp for Muslims. It's that rigorous training that we go through in a way that is going to strengthen us. It's going to make us fit, not only within the 29 to 30 days of Ramadan, but also for the rest of the year. So what you want to do is have a resolution. The same way you have a New Year's resolution, let's pick on something in Ramadan, but it has to be small and consistent, because the Holy Prophet ﷺ has told us the best deeds are those that are consistent. So don't overwhelm yourself. And look at Salat, for example. It's something that you're going to have to do for the rest of your life regardless. There are no excuses for Salat. So why don't you focus on Salat and try to improve it? And by that I mean learning the translation of Salat, the 5 daily prayers in congregation, the Sunnah prayers, the Nawafil prayers, the Tahajjud prayers, and the Taraweeh. When you focus on these and you try to improve on them significantly, in a way that by end of Ramadan you begin to enjoy your Salat, then you can be guaranteed one thing, and that is what Allah Almighty tells us in the Holy Quran, Inna salata tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkar. That Salat is that thing that gets rid of your indecency and manifest evil. So when you're struggling with a certain habit that might come back after Ramadan, Allah is telling us that when you improve your Salat, you can be guaranteed that slowly but surely, gradually, you will be able to get rid of those sins, those evil habits that you may have. So let's focus on our Salat and try to improve on that at least in the month of Ramadan, so that we'll be guaranteed those successes. May Allah Almighty enable all of us, inshallah, to reap those blessings of this month of Ramadan and accept our du'as as supplications and our Salat as well, so that we can achieve the purpose of our creation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.